Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi, reveling in ecstatic states, said, I want to have what you have. Show me the way. In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos, in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision that sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment. When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 seekers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him. He became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. Shiva
Coimbatore.